Sufi Movement. Sufi movement refers to a mystical and spiritual tradition within Islam known as Sufism. Sufism emerged as a response to the growing institutionalization of Islam and sought to emphasize a more personal and experiential connection with God. Here are some key points about the Sufi movement. Origin and philosophy. The origins of Sufism can be traced back to early Islamic history, with roots in the teachings of Prophet Muhammad and his companions. Sufism places a strong emphasis on inner spirituality, devotion, and the pursuit of a direct, experiential relationship with God. Its followers, known as Sufis or dervishes, strive for spiritual purification and enlightenment through practices such as meditation, remembrance of God, dhikr, contemplation, and asceticism. Spiritual practices. Sufi practitioners engage in various spiritual practices to attain closeness to God and seek union with the divine. These practices may include chanting sacred phrases, reciting poetry, performing ritual dances, sama, engaging in silent meditation, and seeking the guidance of a spiritual teacher, sheikh or murshid. Sufis often emphasize the importance of love, devotion, and selflessness in their pursuit of spiritual realization. Poetry and music. Sufi poetry and music have played a significant role in the expression and transmission of Sufi teachings. Sufi poets, such as Rumi, Hafiz, and Ibn Arabi, have composed lyrical and profound verses that explore themes of love, longing, and divine union. Sufi music, particularly Qawwali, devotional music, in South Asia, combines poetry with melodic and rhythmic elements to create an immersive spiritual experience. Orders and lineages. Sufism developed various orders or brotherhoods, Tariqas, with distinct lineages and spiritual practices. Each order is led by a spiritual guide or sheikh who provides guidance and initiates disciples into the order. Some well-known Sufi orders include the Qadiri, Chishti, Naqshbandi, and Mevlevi, known for their whirling dervishes. These orders served as important centers of spiritual teaching, community building, and societal influence. Influence and spread. Sufism had a significant impact on Islamic societies and beyond. It played a role in spreading Islam to regions beyond the Arab heartland, adapting to local cultures and practices. Sufi teachings and practices influenced the development of literature, art, music, and architecture in many Muslim-majority societies. Sufi orders also served as channels for social and moral reform, humanitarian activities, and the promotion of peace and harmony. Controversies and interpretations. Sufism has often been a subject of debate and controversy within the Islamic world. Some critics have accused Sufism of deviating from strict theological and legal interpretations of Islam, while others view it as a vital aspect of Islamic spirituality. Sufi practices and rituals have varied across different regions and historical contexts, resulting in diverse expressions and interpretations of Sufi teachings. Despite its variations and controversies, the Sufi movement has played a significant role in shaping the spiritual and cultural landscape of Islam. Its emphasis on love, compassion, and inner realization has attracted followers seeking a deeper connection with the divine and a path of spiritual transformation.